Alright, what's up guys? Today I got a cooking video for you guys. So I'll be teaching you guys how to make protein pancakes. And just a disclaimer, this is not my recipe. This is from classic physique champion Chris Bumstead recipe, okay? But I'll be showing you guys how to do it. And I have this meal once maybe every day or once every 2 days. So I'll show you guys how to do it, and it's really simple. All you need are four main ingredients, maybe 5. So I put them right over here. So the ingredients that you need are eggs. Okay, the first thing is eggs. You need 3 eggs and 1 egg white. And then you're gonna need some oats. I usually use whole grain oats. So these are whole grain steel rolled oats, and this is much better than instant oats or any other sort of oats. So I really recommend this sort. Really be careful when you buy the packaging, and you really take a look at the packaging and make sure it doesn't say instant, because instant oats have a higher GI. Okay, so this is low GI. Then the next thing you need is your protein powder of choice. Okay, so here I'm using My Protein's matcha flavor, which is probably their best flavor in my opinion, and the only flavor I use from them. But you can use any flavor that you like. Other flavors that sometimes I use is ON's Optimum Nutrition's Double Rich Chocolate. So those are nice as well. And then I said 4 ingredients, right? The last thing you need is your banana. So you just need 1 banana. So this recipe doesn't even require any flour or baking soda, which is really simple. I can't bake for nuts, so this makes my life very straightforward. One additional ingredient that you might or might not need is cooking spray oil. So personally, I don't use it on a day-to-day because I don't really want to add the extra calories. But if you want, your pancake not to stick to the pan, if you have a lousy pan, or if your non-stick like mine is like kind of wearing off, yeah, then you can use a little bit of spray oil. So the spray oil is much better than the pouring one, because just a little bit of spray and it covers the whole surface, and your pancakes won't stick. Yeah, so that's all you need actually. And then we get straight to cooking. So first thing I do, you have to blend up all the ingredients. So actually one very important piece of equipment that you need is a blender. Okay, so here I got my blender that is super old, almost gonna break, but it still does the job. Okay, so we're gonna blend up all the ingredients that you see on the table right here, and we're gonna start by putting the fresh eggs in first. Okay, so starting with the eggs, 3 whole eggs in. So 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that's a massive blooper. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. You guys didn't see that. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, and then 1 egg white. So egg white like this. Open it up. Pour. You all know how to do it. Pour. Okay, this egg's not very fresh, so the egg yolk is broken. So 3 eggs, 1 egg white, and wash my hands. Okay, so after we are done putting the eggs in, we're gonna move over. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. And we're gonna put the oats. So I have my weighing scale here with me. I'm gonna tire the weighing scale. Okay, so now we're gonna add the oats to the mixture, and you can use anywhere from even 20 grams of oats all the way up to 70 grams of oats. So Chris Bumstead is a big man, so he uses 70 grams of oats, but I'm a small guy, so I'm gonna use about. Okay, I need some carbs today. This is my first day of my push-pull split, so it's gonna be a heavier carb day. I'm gonna put in 40 grams, maybe 45 if I'm feeling, cheeky. Oh my, why is everything a mess today? Okay, so, take 6 scoops. Okay, 40 grams of oats as promised. Alright, great. So the next thing we're going to add is the protein powder, and you just add however much you need. I usually like to have 30 grams of protein, not the weight of the powder, but protein itself in each meal. So for my protein, 1 heaping scoop is 19 grams only, so I'm gonna have to have 1.5 scoops. Okay, this is my half, and this is my full scoop. Okay. So, so this is the concoction now. Now we add in the last ingredient, the banana. So you can add 1 banana, or you can measure it out if you are really counting the macros. 100 grams of banana is good. So here I'm just gonna break the banana, put it in. Break the banana, put it in. Oh, this is not good. Alright. And there you have it. So this is the that's all you need. And sometimes actually you can add a dash of milk. So literally like just one little pour and that's good enough. But I don't have milk, so just want to show you guys how this recipe is actually flexible. 4 main ingredients, but you can switch them out. Let's say if you don't have banana that day, which happened to me so many times, you can actually swap it out for flour. I added about 40 grams of flour, and the consistency came out the same. In fact, even better because flour is nicer. But it was not as sweet, so then you have to add in some sort of artificial sweeteners to make it taste nice. Or you can just stick to these main ingredients if you have everything. Yeah, so you can add normal milk, you can add low fat milk, almond milk, whatever you want to add, just a little dash of it. Yeah, so let's blend this up. Alright, blend it up. Alright, now we've blended everything up, we're going to pour it into our pan. So I've heated up the pan and we're going to spray some oil onto it. Okay, so just quick spray. And then I'm going to pour. So I'm going to put it on medium-high heat because this recipe, right, the surface that touches the pan cooks quite fast and then you start to brown really fast. But the top always doesn't get cooked. So we're going to put it on a medium-high heat. And then we're also going to add a lid to make sure that everything cooks quite evenly. Because the important part later on is going to be flipping the pancake. And we'll see if today I'm lucky or not. Sometimes, most of the times it gets wrecked, okay? But on a good day, it doesn't get wrecked, and I post it on my Instagram. So let's see our luck today. So you can make like 2 small pancakes, or what I usually do because I'm lazy and I just want to get everything done quickly is 1 mega ass pancake. So here we got a mega ass pancake, and then I'm gonna add the lid on top of it so that it cooks. Alright, so it's been about 4 minutes ish. So I don't really time it because you just have to look at the pancake and kind of tell. Alright, so if you look at this, you can tell that the top there's no more there's no more fluids. You see, nothing's flowing around. So the bottom is definitely cooked. And you kind of just go around jabbing the corners and try to loosen it up. Oh yeah, I think today's gonna be a good pancake. Alright, and then you want to lift up your pan, and then you let gravity help you do the work. So you can wreck one side of the pancake. Okay, so once you finally get your thing underneath, okay, go around like this. Okay, let gravity do work for you, and you want to flip it. Oh, you see that? That is a good pancake. Okay, so on the flip side, you don't really need much time. You can in fact you can increase the heat to just high heat and leave it on for about 1 minute. I like the inside of my pancake to be kind of like still moist. So just 1 minute on this side, and then we'll take it off the plate onto the plate. Okay, so it's been 1 minute, and then now we're gonna put the pancake onto the plate. And I don't really need to explain that, alright? It's just take it out, boom, pancake. Yeah, so this is the pancake, and I'll put on the macros like somewhere up here. Okay, yeah, somewhere on top. I'll put on the macros, and this is really good for because it's super filling. 1 mega pancake is quite thick also. Alright, yeah, it's a thick ass pancake. So if you're cutting, this is actually really good to use. Or if you're bulking also, there's some really good macros here. So you'll be full for hours, which is why I say it's good for cutting. Because of the oats, because of the protein in there, and because it's how, it's not very it's quite voluminous. Yeah. So y'all can consider this, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's pancake video. So I'm just gonna flip. Nah, just kidding. Bye bye.